Happy morning to all of you. Welcome in Shri Ganesh online lecture series. My name is Kadangale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. Till yesterday we have completed our two chapters. Again yesterday we do revision also about second chapter. Okay. So now we are going to start of chapter number 3. Third chapter we are going to start. What is our chapter's name? Life on Earth. Repeat after me. Chapter number 3. Life on Earth. Okay. So for this purpose we need textbook. So this one is your standard 5th EVS second textbook. I hope all of you have purchased these books now. Okay. So open your textbook, page number 12. See, here this page you will get, page number 12. This chapter we are going to learn today. Okay. So see, in this chapter what is given, only 3 points are there. This chapter on the primary basis we are going to learn. Okay. So see, first, do you know life? Yes. Earth, where do you live? We live on Earth. Correct? What is the shape of Earth? Our Earth is like this. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Is it correct? Our Earth shape is like this or like this? So which one is correct? First one or second one? What is the shape of our Earth? This one. Correct. Okay. So see, we are going to learn life on Earth. So in this chapter we are going to learn 3 points. How many points are there? 3 points are there. See, first one is formation of the Earth. Beginning of the life on Earth, the animal world on the Earth. So this one we are going to learn today. Okay. But history, how we are going to learn? What we are learning second chapter, how to learn history step by step. Okay. So that in second chapter we have made 2 parts of the period, pre-historical period and historical period. Correct. So what happened with this? We have made 2 parts, so we can learn it easily. Okay. So today we are going to start first one, 3.1. Formation of the Earth. Formation of the Earth. Okay. So see, before this I would like to show you picture of globe of Earth. Okay. So I will show you. So see, here you can see Earth. Okay. So like this our Earth shape is in circle shape. Okay. So see, here you can see all countries names you can find it. See here now, Japan, America, here Africa, Russia, like this all countries we can get here. Okay, on this Earth, this is called globe. Okay. So see, all countries are there, seas are there. Okay, everything is there. So see, so how this Earth is formed, that we are going to learn. Do you have this question in your mind? Okay, we are living on Earth, but how is Earth formed? Correct? Our mind should be curious one. So see, formation of the Earth, that we are going to learn in primary level. We are going to learn it now. Okay? Why we are going to learn it primary level? If we go step by step, we will learn it properly. Okay, so see, open your book, page number 12. See, you have to put your index finger on the line when I am reading it. Okay, so see, 3.1, first of all we will read it. 3.1, formation of the earth. There are some questions we all wonder about. For example, how did the earth on which we live come to be? When did that happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? Then downside one paragraph is given. See, on the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, on an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. The names of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so see, we are going to learn it now. Formation of the earth. Again and again I am telling you this point, so you should not forget that what we are learning. Okay, so see what is told, how earth is formed, that we are going to learn. See, there are some questions we all wonder about. We all wonder about it. Many questions are in our mind. Okay, so we are curious about them. So see, how, for example, how did the earth on which we live come to be? How did the earth on which we live is come to be? Means how this earth formed? Okay, we have this question, how this earth formed. Then another question, what is there? Okay, if it is formed, then when did that happen? When did that happen means when is earth formed? Okay, at what time? In which period it formed? Was it always the way we see it today? Was it always the way we see it today? Means today as we see our earth, it was same before also, or has it undergone changes, or in it changes are going on continuously? Changes are, is it correct? Changes are going on continuously, or our earth is same only? No. So in our earth continuously changes are going on. It is not same when it was formed. That time and today's time many changes are there in the earth also. See, if it has changed, if changes are happening in our earth, then what exactly are those changes? Then what are those changes exactly? Okay, so see, what is first question? When are earth formed? Okay, how it formed, and next one, is it same when it was formed till today, or changes are going on continuously? Like these questions are there. Do you have like these questions? Are you agree with this question? Do you know answers of this? No? Okay. If you don't know, that only we are going to see in this. So see, when are earth formed? 4.5 billion years. See, yesterday I told you billion means one abjad or billion. 1 billion means one abjad. Means 10 crore multiplied by 10 is equal to 1 abjad or 1 billion. So see, 4.5 billion years it has taken. So see, on the basis of See, and in our textbook also, Earth picture is shown. I have shown you globe, but see a picture also. Okay, which picture is it? Earth. What is the shape of Earth? Circle. Very good. See this one globe also. Here also it is shown in circle. Okay. How it rotates? This motion is called circular motion. Okay, that also we are going to learn. See, on the basis of scientific research, so scientists were also having this question. So they did research. So that research is called scientific research. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago. What happened 4.5 billion years ago? See, I'll write on board. 4.5 billion 4.5 billion years ago. An enormous cloud. What is mean by enormous? Who knows enormous is what? Come on, try to think. Enormous means huge or large. Huge, large or big. So see, before 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud. Enormous means a huge cloud, huge, big. A huge cloud of very hot gases. That cloud was of hot gases. See, suppose this one is cloud. What is here? Hot gases. Gases is plural word. Why gases are told? Because in that only a single gas was not there. Many gases were there. So here hot gases. A big cloud of hot gases and dust. Again dust. Do you know dust on your benches also? When you come to school, you can see dust. Yes, because our students are not there. So who is sitting on bench? Only dust. Okay. So like dust and these hot gases. See, dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. And what happened? These hot gases and these dust spinning in the space. Here in the space, spinning means like this, rounds. It took rounds, and this round speed was too much. It was very high speed, and so with this high speed, these gases and this dust, it was rotating like this. Okay, that is called spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. Its circular motion at great speed caused it to divide into several portions. It was rotating and it got too much speed, great speed it got, and because of that great speed it divided into several parts. It is divided into several parts. See, now you are small, you are playing at your home, you are taking rounds at a place only like this. Yes, you can also do it like this now. When we are taking like these rounds, if we go very fast, first we are starting it slowly, and when we increase our speed, then what happens? Suddenly we will go out of the motion. Correct? Or you can do. Why it happens? Because we feel like grumbling. Okay? We are getting more speed. If you are getting great speed, then once will throw out. Correct? So like this only. Are these hot gases and this dust? It was spinning in the space and it got great speed. And with those, because of that great speed, it is divided into several parts. It is thrown out. It is divided into several parts. And thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. And because of this, because of what? Hot gases and dust, it was spinning, and when it was spinning, it got great speed, and then after great speed, it divided into several parts. Like this, suppose one part will be like this, several parts it is formed. Several parts it is formed, and those parts are called sun. See, those parts are create sun. Okay, then and planets which revolve around the sun. Planets which revolve around the sun. This one, now suppose this one is our sun. This will be sun, and then other parts. So planets which revolve around the sun. So which planets? See, the names of these planets are Mercury. Okay, suppose this one is Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay, Earth is also a part of planet. Don't think that Earth is different. Earth is also called planet, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, like this, how many planets are there? 8. 8 planets are there. Okay, these 8 planets are revolving around the sun. Okay. Do you understand this much? See, at the last I'm going to show you picture of these planets also. At the last of this video you can see. Okay, these planets and their names and their pictures also. Okay, so you can get it clear that how our Earth is formed. Do you understand now? Simply we have to keep in mind now how. See, hot gases were there in space. Hot gases, cloud. Do you know cloud? Now clouds are there in the sky. Like that, hot gases cloud was there. And dust, it was spinning, and it got great speed while spinning. And then, because of that great speed, it is divided into several parts. And those parts have formed sun and other planets. And those planets are revolving around the sun. Okay? How many planets are? How many are there instead of sun? 8 are there. Which are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay? So at the last you can see its picture. So did you understand this point? Okay. So see, what's your homework today? First of all, you are going to read this lesson from 3.1 TVL. Okay? Do you understand? This much you are going to read it in front of your parents. Loud reading you have to do it. Okay? Then, second thing, this one hard word you are going to copy in your notebook. Enormous means huge or large. Okay? Again and again I am not going to tell its meaning, because next chapter also this word is going to come. So if you learn now only this word, in next class, next chapters, you will not get difficulty. Okay? So enormous means huge or large, or we can say big also. Okay? So see, again what you are going to do? These planets names you are going to copy in your notebook, and each name you are going to copy 5 times. How many times? 5 times. Understood? So now you can see the picture of planets. Okay? And then thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic. Thank you very much.